Let's see how we install Java in Red Hat Linux. Okay guys, I'm just going to show how to install Java in RHEL Linux. So now let's do, I have one of my Linux missing here. It's taken from Amazon instance. This is an RHEL Linux. Now let's install Java. You can install Java in two ways. One of my way is yum install Java, and another way is to download your Java from Oracle. Let's see one of the way. Yeah, let's do now. Let's install yum with Java. I'm now going to install my Java with a yum package manager. Now let's do yum install. Sorry. Yum install Java. -y in the sense do yes to all. If you're downloading a package, it says it asks it executes in an interactive mode. Let's say it asks yes to all, say yes to all. So that's why I'm saying yes here in my add command. Now click. See here it is saying my Java OpenJDK 1.7.0 version is already installed and it is latest version. Now let's remove it and just reinstall Java again. Yum install, sorry, yum remove Java -y. To install we have to click yum install Java, but to remove a package we have to type yum remove. Let's see. Yeah, completed. My Java is completely removed. Now let's install my Java. Reinstall my Java. Yum install. So let's clear the yum install Java -y. See, now it is downloading my Java package OpenJDK 7. If you want like 8 or 9, you can mention a tag here like yum install. Like you can mention tags like yum install Java 1.89.0 like this. If you mention like this, it will install your Java as per your given version. What version you have given in tag, that version it will be installed in your RHEL Linux. Okay, now I have installed my Java. Let's see Java is working or not. I will prefer command Java. Yes, of course my Java is running. If you're installing yum with Java, there is no need to set the path like java_home. Whenever you install Java in Windows or Linux, whether it may be any platform, but we have to set the path of Java. But if you're installing in RHEL Linux by using yum package manager, there is no need to set the path because it's installed as a package and Java requirements already set. You may get execute a command that is working. Okay, that's it. Yeah, my Java is clearly working. Now I can do programming or whatever it may be related to Java because I have a JDK installed now by means of yum package manager. Now let's install. Now I'm going to do a Java installation by means of tat.gz, some download from Oracle one, by means of license exception. Let's see now. For that, first I'm removing my Java. Yum remove Java -y. Sorry, I didn't give space. Okay, my Java is completely removed. Now I'm just going to install. I'm just going to download a Java version from Linux version from Oracle account, from my Oracle account, and I'm just going to install it. Let's see. Let's go to my browser. I'm typing the JDK. I want to install a JDK of version number 8. Let's see now. Okay, here's some results. Java SC development kit 8. I'm going to click on this. Okay, this you can see here some JDK SE development kit 82201. You can select any one of these, but I just want to select this. Just click on license exception and select the link, copy the link. Go to Linux machine. If you want to download Java, let's see, you have to use this command. See now, see the meaning of this command is for downloading a package or any file from your any external internet, we have to use duplicate command in RHEL Linux. Here there are no cookies, no check certification, header, cookie, Oracle license, accept secure backup cookie. You have to use this cookie for downloading a package from Oracle account. Okay, by not signing up into the Oracle account, if you want to download any package to Linux, then you can use this. See now, I've just copied the link there. I just pasting it here. Sorry, I just got it. Something has happened. Okay, let's see now. 1 second, I will copy this. Okay, it's came. Let's see, I'm copying this Java link. I'm just pasting it here. Click it. Now you can see my Java is getting downloaded. You can see over here my Java is getting, JDK is getting download. After downloading, see my Java JDK 8 is getting I got download my JDK 8. If you can see here, my JDK is downloaded. Let's just extract it. For that, -xvzf. Here it is a tat.dz. We have to, for extracting files, we have to use extract verbose. Whatever happening, it shows us force -f. Okay, that is the meaning of this command. Let's say what's the file we have to extract. JDK. Yes, my JDK files has been extracted. Here you can see that some folder, I got some folder 1.8. For my understanding, I'm just renaming it from JDK to Java 8. Okay, the folder name has been changed. You can see there from JDK 1.8 to Java 8. Okay, now I'm gonna see what are the content inside this. So you can see some folders, like when you are installing Windows, you got some folders like bin, etc, etc, library files, local media, output, some kind of files you'll get. For Linux, you will get etc live folder and temp var folder, boot, dev, home. All these folders will get, but in bin, sorry, I just gone there. Not true. Okay, let's see. Java. And see, here you got Java files. Sorry, previously I'm in wrong path. Now I'm just in correct path. See, here you have Java command, Java C command. So to execute this, to use Java, you have to set the path, Java_home path, right? So for that, for setting the path, export Java_home is equals to what is this, where my Java has been from in root, and my Java some 8 folder is there. This is my Java underscore home. Okay, now I'm gonna set the path. Path is path colon, what is the my Java commands in my bin, so I have to set the path in my bin using this variable. Okay, Java underscore home slash bin, right? This is in Java home variable, I'm using that, and bin that indicates this path. Okay, now let's see, path has been set on our echo dollar Java underscore home. Yes, my Java path has been set. Now let's test Java. Yes, success, my Java has been set. So this is the way to install Java in RHEL Linux. Now you can do any Java program on this. Thank you. Just like and subscribe my channel.